Okay, so I can actually see my face.
Yeah, don't zoom in.
I'm not even zooming in, just like.
Yeah, you are. You're zooming in on your face.
This is so good. I don't want to see my face though like this. Wait.
Zoom in on something else.
Holy crap! It's real freaking good.
Oh my gosh.
Turns out I bought it was marked as a Mark II, and it's a freaking the one.
It's not a Mark 1, it's just a G7X.
Yeah, I paid for a G7X Mark II, and then it's just the G7X. I mean, it's better than nothing, don't get me wrong, but like, I paid for something. It's definitely better than every other camera I've had so far.
Hands down.
But like, really?
Dude, that is a good dunk.
Not me, oddly. Oh, what the heck? Oh, it's on little bundles. That's cute. How the hell did this cost $15 to ship? But okay. I assume this is the camera then? Okay.
Why are you doing it on her bed?
Because I can't explain right now. Unboxing. It's supposed to be. Hold on. I'm about to open it. Oh wait, that has to be this has to be the camera.
You should really help.
I have no idea what's even in that. Nope, that's the charger. Ooh, this crap looking good.
Christmas. Wow.
It's not the Mark II.
And you'll see the Mark II on the front.
No, it's the G7X. Paid for the G7X.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah. I just want to make this quick outro for the video. I know this isn't the Mark II and all, which in the video, yes, my first reaction, I was so disappointed because the title of the website that I bought the camera from said that it would be a Mark II and it was the one. But then I actually looked up like the cheapest amounts and stuff, and realistically, for the kit that I got with the stuff I got, when I looked up the prices of stuff, I didn't actually get ripped off for the camera. It was just the name itself that I was bummed about. So I just wanted to include that in there, that yeah, my first reaction, I was like super bummed and disappointed because I was expecting something like that I didn't get. I paid for something that I didn't get, so I was bummed. But overall, the camera is great. I've recorded so many videos since, so I just want to make that part clear in here. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy all the videos to come. Subscribe so you get notified every single time a video uploads, and be sure to like if you're excited as I am for the rest of them, because this quality is incredible. I'm extremely grateful that I was even able to get this camera at all. Oh, just including that. Sure, it was the first reaction. I was being a little bit of a brat about it, but like, I think anyone would be if they didn't get something that they paid for. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. And I keep on looking at the viewfinder 24/7. This is so bad. I really gotta get used to not doing that. Bye, guys.